Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix CapCut template not showing in TikTok. So it's pretty simple, let's get started. So you guys have to just simply follow me and I'll tell you the some steps in order to achieve or in order to fix this issue. The first solution is you guys have to just simply open up Play Store. So after opening a Play Store application, you guys have to just simply search for TikTok. And here you guys have to just simply update your application if there is any update available, because sometime updating an application will help you to fix your latest issues or any problems. So after updating, your issue will be resolved. So if the issue is still not resolved, you guys have to just don't worry about it. So you guys have to just simply go to TikTok. So after opening up TikTok application, now you guys have to just simply check the video is really a CapCut template or not, because lots of time there is not necessary that everyone is using CapCut template. So in order to check the video is really have a template or not, so you guys have to simply go to the search bar and you guys have to simply search for CapCut templates. So after tapping the CapCut templates, now you guys will be able to see lots of templates in the CapCut, and here you guys will be able to see the option which is CapCut try this template. So you guys have to just simply click on it and click on use template in CapCut. So after tapping on it, you guys have to just simply click on use template, and here you guys have to just simply add your footages and you guys can use CapCut templates for free. I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.